Everyone, good morning. It's Al Barola for Financial Intelligence Training. It is Wednesday, it is October 10th, and it is 2018. Now, I am in Southern California today, specifically LA, having spent the day yesterday mostly in the OC. Now, let's have an important, quick discussion on what seems to be some real pressure in the markets. Now, I frequently talk about three key areas that I follow to gauge the health of the markets. All three of those areas are what I would refer to in the most clinical and technical of ways as not bueno. The semis cracked hard earlier this week and seem to have taken a nosedive this morning. Now that seems logical as the betas have slipped big time compared to the bigs. Now the exact opposite theme that we've witnessed all year is what's happening. Now the NASDAQ and the Russell, well, they are approaching and testing their key support levels at the 150-day and the 200-day moving average respectively. These are levels that have not been tested since the March lows, so pay attention here. Now, the financials, well, they continue to sag, and they've been skating their 200-day moving average, and that ice seems to be getting very slushy right now. And today, to add to the misery, the transports, they have continued their rollover and are being heavily pressured, dipping below their 200-day moving average. Yet, on the surface, the Dow remains above its 50-day, and the S&P, well, it is just slightly below. So to me, you have seen the rotation occur where the beta party may be ending, and at the very minimum, this is a classic example of you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here type of mindset. Now is the time for you to take a close look at your portfolio risk, assess your correlation risk, and make the determination of what you may do from a risk allocation if further shifts continue. Now, this is not meant to create fear, but rather the exact opposite. This is meant to create awareness so that you can make confident decisions about your exposure rather than emotional reactions. Now, leaving the market for a second, I want to wish good luck to all those in the panhandle of Florida. Hurricane Michael is making a serious punch to the coast there as a Category 4. Ironic if you think about it, because the markets seem to be currently dealing with their own Category 4 as well. So stay safe, everyone there, and if you are trading, especially in this increased volatility, please remember that stock and stock options involves a substantial degree of risk. It's not suitable for all investors, and if you like the charts like I do, well, remember, past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. I'm Al Barola for Financial Intelligence Training. Thanks for watching, everyone.